Hey guys, it's Lily. Just want to bring you a short little clip of last night. We had a tornado hit on this side of the bypass and we are all fine. Just some good amount of damage. That happened about 6:30 last night. We've got only the houses on this side. They're working over there to try to clear that tree off of that lady's house. But I mean, we had trees. We've got trees down like everywhere. My son was able to get out this morning. Just a few minor scratches on his car. But there's glass everywhere. Windows were, all of the stuff came off. Tore down the awnings on the back porch, the garage door. That's just the front of the house.
No.
It just kind of threw stuff. There's one of our 4 trash cans. We cannot find the other ones. Not sure where that one went. Well, there's stuff there. I don't know if you noticed way over here between the trees, if you can see all those down power lines.
Only thing is broken just a glass in our house, on our house, not our roof.
Yeah, our roof looks pretty good, huh?
Uh-huh.
House looks pretty good.
Uh-huh.
It's just all outside. It's kind of scary, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I had to hide in that little itty bitty cubby hole.
Yeah.
Alright, well. So then we have this side where we also lost quite a bit of trees down. Pretty close to the house, but not too bad. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but we do have the insurance adjuster coming. Well, hopefully. My son's supposed to be calling them. Don't know. I have not been back here yet. I'm not sure where all the glass is coming from because it's all over the porch. But we've got this one down. That one down. Go stand next to that tree. The neighbors, where you see that camper, their camper's all dented in, and they had a nice swing set for their kids. It's gone. We just have a lot of more exterior damage than anything. I guess we'll find out about roof damage later. This was your what?
This tree was my special one.
It was your special tree? Why? Because it's the tree that you look at every night out your window?
Yeah.
Alright, well. Oh, look, there you can see the swing set all mangled over there. Yeah, it's kind of weird how it just kind of, it's like it was jumping, and thank goodness, because our house is intact. But I'm probably not going to be uploading any videos for a while. If I get to Wi-Fi today, I will upload this. As you can see, crews are already working to clean up the debris, and I've got just solid woods across the street from my house, and there's a bunch of down trees in there, but they don't care about those. But they have completely closed my road, except for to the residents that live here. So we'll see. I have a couple orders. It's not going to go out today, and the people that ordered have their closet set up where you can't comment, so I can't even tell them that their stuff's not going to go out today, but hey, it is what it is, right? So hopefully we'll see you back soon in a few days. We don't have power yet, obviously, with all those power lines hanging down in the trees. But they are working to get it back together. So we will see.
It'll cost $1,000 to fix this.
Well, it's going to cost a lot more than that, but we have insurance, so hopefully we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I've never had to use it before. But yeah, all right, guys. I'll talk to you when I can. See ya. Lily out.